India mein, what is happening today is that we have early investors. You find the population of age of India may typically 22, 23 years may first salary. The guy graduates, generally starts earning. Earlier days, our first investment was a saver. Today we see the shift. My belief is that if you are an investor today, coming to the market, first go to a pure diversified equity fund.
ये हो गए आपके मल्टी कैप,
फ्लेक्सी कैप, हाइब्रिड बाद में करो. हाँ, बाद में करो because you need to understand the process. How does it do it? India's wealth creation started post your late 90s.
Yes.
I always said when I started my advisory job in 2003, 2004, there was only an HNI.
Yeah.
There was nobody called middle class. Because disposable surplus, आपका खर्चा करने का बाद, there was nothing. SIP was not even spoken about.
कुछ नहीं.
So I think now the days are changing.
नहीं, पर आज आपको लगता है कि आपके जो स्कीम्स है, क्योंकि मैं जो एमफी डेटा देखता हूँ उसमें भी ये देखता हूँ, जब मार्केट गिरती है बैठ के एसआईपीज बंद करके लोग विड्रॉ.
अभी 2 महीने का पहले का डेटा देखेंगे तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा that amount of people on the retail schemes generally will find redemption. अभी वॉर का कुछ हो गया, suddenly we'll see redemption. Ultimately, the wealth is created on a long-term basis. My view is that India will get evolved. I am not pessimistic. I think people understand cycles. India is now, from 94, let's look at 94 because liberalization happened. More and more companies get listed. From that 30, 40 years of capital markets today, I see changes coming in because people are started seeing cycles. एक साइकिल देखा, 2 साइकिल, द पैनिक बहुत कम हो रहा है आजकल. आप अभी भी देखो मार्केट इतना करेक्ट नहीं होता है पहले जैसा. एंड वी ऑल्सो समटाइम्स सी ए मार्केट करेक्ट होता है, पीपल कम एंड पुट मनी.
Are you seeing that?
Yeah, we see that. So I'm not saying I'm completely one-sided. I think
change is happening, but you would be happier if it was
much faster. But
क्योंकि अगर आप 40 पे शुरू कर रहे हैं सीरियसली लॉन्ग टर्म, तो आप के पास उतना ही समय कम होगा versus if you started at 20-25, even if it was a smaller amount.
इसके लिए मैं I think from Axis AMC perspective, I think we are very clear the investor education is very important. So we do a lot of investor education. In fact, as for AMFI, we have only 5 districts we adopt. We have asked for another 3 more. We want to adopt districts to do investor education. Because we are very clear about what we want as an institution, as Axis Group, that we want to do. We are very clearly saying that we want to be knowledge partners. So in that scheme of our framework, investor education is very, very critical for us.